Hello, today we will know about Lord Jagannath's 32 Vesha in Puri. First one is Avakash Vesha. Every day the Vesha is done after Mangal Aarti. The act of brushing and bathing is known as Avakash Vesha. And next, the Vadashingara Vesha is done every day before Ratra Pohuda. In this Vesha, deities decorate with variety of flowers like Rudrapadak, Nakuasi, Karapallav, Adharmala, etc. And next, the Shna Vesha. This is a famous Vesha of deities. This Vesha happens 5 times in a year. Generally, this Vesha will be organized on Vijayadashami, Pausha Purnima, Dola Purnima, Kartika Purnima, and one special in Ashad Shukla Ekadashi after Rath Yatra on the chariots. In this Vesha, deities wear very heavy 148 ornaments made of gold like Tripatika, Chandra Sujya, Had Mushara, Bahada Mali, Dharira Mali, Bhaganakhi Mali, Shankha, Chakra, Sri Bhuja, Sri Payara, and Chandrika. And next, the Padma Vesha. This Vesha takes place on the new moon day of the month of Magha. In this Vesha, lot of lotus used to decorate the god. It is done on any Saturday and Wednesday between the new moon day of Magha and Vasant Panchami. And next, the Gajodharana Vesha is done on Magha Purnima. This Vesha based on how Lord Jagannath saved helpless elephant from the grief of crocodile. And next, the Gajanana Vesha will organized on the occasion of Snana Purnima on the month of Jyeshtha. Before Rath Yatra, the bathing ceremony of Lord will happen. In this ceremony, God takes bath in 108 garas scented water. After that, this Vesha is held. And next, the Ghodlagi Vesha is organized during the period from the 6th day of the bride fortnight of Margashira to the 5th day of the bride fortnight of Magha. The deities wear the wonderful winter clothes. And next, the Navanka Vesha take place on the previous day of Makar Sankranti. And next, the Banabhoji Vesha is done on the 10th day of Krishna Dashami of the dark fortnight of Bhadrav. The deities are dressed like they are going to picnic. And next, the Kalya Dalana Vesha. This Vesha organized on Bhadrav Krishna Ekadashi Tithi. For this Vesha, a big snake is built. The hood of the snake is placed at the feet of Sri Jagannath at the time of Vesha. This Vesha is continued till complete of Sandhya Dhupa. And next, the Pralamba Asura-Vaddha Vesha is celebrated on Bhadra Krishna Dwadashi every year. A demon Pralamba was killed by God Balaram. So in this day, deities Balabhadra wear this costume. And next, the Krishna Balarama Vesha is organized on Bhadra Krishna Trayodashi, 13th day of the dark night of Bhadrav in evening time. In this Vesha, deities dressed like Krishna and Balaram. And next, the Radha Damodara Vesha take place from the 11th day of the bright night of Ashina Shukla Ekadashi to the 10th day of the bright night of Kartik Ekadashi. And next, the Lakshmi Narayana Vesha on the 11th day of the bright night of Kartik Shukla Ekadashi Tithi. And next, the Bankachuda Vesha celebrate on Kartik Shukla Ekadashi. This Vesha similar to the Lakshmi Narayana Vesha with addition of gold ornament on head called Bankachuda. And next, the Trivikram Vesha is done on the 13th day of the bright night of Kartik Shukla Trayodashi and this Vesha is also known as Aditya Vesha. And next, the Lakshmi Nrsimha Vesha, organized on 14th day of the bright fortnight of Kartik Shukla Chaturdashi. This Vesha is also known as Dalkya Vesha. And next, the rare Nagarjuna Vesha of deities celebrate in such year in which there are 6 days of Panchuk in the month of Kartika. This is the warrior Vesha of Lord. And next, the Vamana Vesha is organized on the 12th day of the bright fortnight of Bhadrav Shukla Dwadashi Tithi. And next, the Shraddha Vesha is organized for 3 days in the month of Margashira in Puri, Krishna Chaturdashi, Amavasya, Shukla Pratipada Tithi. In this Vesha, the deities offer Shraddha to their parents Dasharatha, Kaushalya, Nanda, Yashoda, Vasudeva, Devaki, Kashyap or Diti. And next, the Chacheri Vesha take place for the 5 days from the Phalguna Shukla Dashami to Chaturdashi. And next, the Raghunatha Vesha. This Vesha is celebrated in the month of Chaitra, but now it is discontinued in 500 years. I hope. And next, the Tahya Lagi Vesha. This Vesha observed during the Rath Yatra time. Deities wears a crown called as Tahya. It decorated flowers and souls and jaris. And next, the Pushya Abhisheka Vesha is donned the commemorate the occasion on the full moon day of the month of Pusha. The deity appears like a regal emperor in full pomp, arrayed in golden robes and garlands of different flowers. And many of the Veshas like the Jhulan Sandhya Vesha, Navajovan Vesha, Tyakya Vesha, Sakala Dhupa Vesha, Sandhya Dhupa Vesha, and Sanapata Lagi Vesha, and Giri Govardhana Vesha. And next, the Chandan Lagi Vesha is organized on the month of Vaishakha and Jyeshtha. In this Vesha, the attendant of the deities apply the Chandan paste on the body of Lord. The Chandan is mixture of Kasturi, Chandan, Agur, and this one. And Jai Jagannath, Namaste. Jai Jagannath.